Let's do a quick update on Bitcoin because so far things have actually been playing out as we have expected. First and foremost, if we take a look at this monthly chart, you will see that the monthly BX trender, which is the key framework for our trading strategy, is still dark red. What this long-term model on your screen is looking to do is go long when the BX at the bottom of your screen on the monthly time frame increases to light red or shows green. This means that we are trading inside of bullish cycle or a bull market. So you'll see that essentially our model was pinging this as a buying opportunity from April of 2023, really February 2023, to about October into November of 2025. So that is a 373% rally that happened over that time. But at the end of October, the monthly BX closed dark red, which means that November 1st until now, we are macro, aka long-term, bearish. If we look at this weekly time frame where we can overlay a monthly BX, you're going to see that once again, the BX trender was dark red on the monthly, which is not ideal. And more importantly, we broke this weekly bias, which is not a good sign. So that means that now we have a bearish trend and we have macro selling pressure. Now, for the past couple of months, basically since the end of November, I have been short-term bullish on Bitcoin and long-term bearish. Most of the time when we have a big green BX trender, as you can see here, price is going to break out, price is going to pull back, price will continue to break out and then continue to pull back. This is bullish market structure and this here is good. But when we have a red BX trender, normally what will happen is price is going to sell off, price is going to bounce, trap a bunch of retail buyers in this bounce, and then sell off again. This would also, for those of you who are technical analysts, play out with a head and shoulders pattern. So what we have been expecting for the past couple of months was a push to worst case 100,000, best case maybe 105 to 106,000, and then a flush or a sell-off. And so far that did happen, but I really thought that this push a couple of weeks ago was going to be much stronger than it was, right? I was thinking at least the move to 100 to maybe 105, and that hasn't happened yet. Now, I am not going long on Bitcoin. Like I said, I'm still expecting a short-term bounce, but I think that if that bounce occurs, it is going to sell off. It's going to be a trap, and we're probably going to move our way down to 75,000 to 70K. So what would make me go long or be extremely bullish long-term on Bitcoin is if the monthly BX increased. If we get an increase here like this dark red that we saw here back in January of 2023, February 2023, then I'm bullish again, right? I'm going to be thinking long-term. I'm going to be playing the next bull cycle for the next couple of years. But what worries me is that what's going to happen is basically what happened back here in 2022, where price bounced a little bit and then eventually sold off. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you if you think I'm wrong, if you think I'm right, where you think this is going to go. If you want access to our trading strategy and all of our indicators completely for free, the link to our course library is down in the description. We've had over 27,000 people take our courses and learn our strategy for free. There's no credit card, no BS. It doesn't hurt us to have you guys win. The link to all of those indicators will be in sequential order with the link below.